Welcome to CNEX Institute of Technology. CNEX encompass well-qualified, experienced, certified instructors train the participants with easy-to-use step-by-step training material in the most optimized period of time in real environment. CNEX has excellent physical infrastructure to provide practical-oriented trainings. CNEX established in 2003. During this period, CNEX have trained hundreds of students and make them skillful person to earn livings for their families. Today we discuss about professional graphics designing course features and benefits. CNEX offers professional graphics designing course which include most demanding software. 1. Corel Draw. 2. Adobe Photoshop. 3. Adobe Illustrator. 4. Inpage. For the designing of this course, CNEX professionals focus on most demanding skills for graphics designers in local and international market. In this course you can learn a deep understanding of typography, color theory, photos, layout, blocking and other design theory and skills. After the completion of this course you can create logos, visiting and invitation cards. Social media banners and ads, photo editing, promotional design and commercial illustration and branding packages for local and international potential clients. You will be given real-world, applicable projects that you can follow along with and practice. Nowadays thousands of jobs of graphics designer are available in local and international markets, but you just have skills to work on international standards. CNEX give you a confidence to work in local and international market. During this lockdown situation, CNEX offers with a safe environment for online and in-house classes. Course duration 2 months. 5 classes in a week of 2 hours duration. Admission open now, in online and in-house classes. You can visit campus for demo class from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Saturday. At CNEX Royal Plaza 6th Road Rawalpindi. For more details, you can also call to Mr. Ravna Wazkareshi at 0310523880.